Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods, and today I'm showing you a queen size bed. And this is not just a queen size bed, most artistic design in bedroom sets, and you can see the carving work on the back and the front, and the kind of artisans we have, the amazing artwork they have. And the best part is, all work that you see here is hand art. Nothing is machine done. Everything, all drawing, cutting, and the carving, and then the final finishing, even the quilting part is done by hands using small machines. And this is the kind of art we have here. And that is what we are promoting across the globe. If you talk about the size, the back height of this one is 7 feet. This is a queen size bed, and queen size bed is 60 inches left to right and 75 inches back to front. That's the mattress area, so the inside area. And this is with storage, and the storage is hydraulic storage. So hydraulic makes it really easy to open and easy to close, and you need not hold it or keep it holding while you are getting stuff from inside. Real easy work. Now coming back to the carving work, let's see the front part, and you can see how fine and amazing the carving work is in teak wood. This is not MDF, this is not plywood, or this is not resin. This is real teak wood, solid teak wood, and that is carved. And this particular design that you see is from a catalog, and this is one of the most liked designs because the high back give the unit an amazing look. Coming to the side units, another masterpiece, in fact, I would say, in side tables, and it has got two drawers, one and two. I'll open one, I'll show it to you. And this is 20 inches high, and you can see the fine carving all around on the legs and on the front. Another thing about this bed is the side design. Generally, when we have plain sides, we don't have carving on the side, and this cushion is also not there, but this has got the carving design on the sides and cushion as well, making it a complete unit. So all three sides, this side, that side, and both sides carved. Back is always plain for a bed because back goes to a wall. If you have seen our earlier videos, or you know about Arson Woods, we are an international brand now. We are registered in more than 35 countries, and more than 55 countries we are supplying our stuff, and we are getting love and blessings from across the globe. And that is just because we work so hard to get what client want. Generally, when you go to a showroom or a nearby store, you get what you see there. They don't provide you what you like. If you want to change the fabric, they don't have that option. They have to make a new unit altogether, and they always try to sell what they have in stock. Here, what we make is what you want. So even if you want some carving changes, you want the fabric to be different, you want it without storage, or you want any other changes, you want bigger size, king size, super king size, California king size, Eastern king size, or deluxe size, we make all of those, and we deliver globally to your door. So any design you like, this design, or we have hundreds and hundreds of more designs on the website arsonwoods.com, and so many detailed videos on YouTube. So check your design, finalize it, let us know what you want, color changes, design changes, size changes, anything you want, we'll do it and deliver to your home. Hope you like our work. Some comments from you will be highly appreciated. Thank you. Dhanyavad.